Yo, for Valentine's, like, even though I don't post, I've been on my little vacation. So, yeah, take my picture.
Danya! God damn!
Yeah, you look good.
I need to take one with my.
That's Hoover Dam. That's Hoover Dam.
Put your phone down.
Wait, how to
Let's go, ready? Yep. Jump. Oh, yes, I like it. What I'm jumping. Y'all get tired of me. Ready? Yes! Look at him. He going too. He going jump. He going too. Jump. He going too. Hold on. Jump, baby. Jump. Hold on. Hold on. Jump. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool. One more. Jump in here. Okay, hold on. We need to give me sir. Thank you. While we're jumping.
While you're jumping? All right.
All you gotta do is press this one in the middle, okay?
Gotcha.
3 of us gonna jump, okay?
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Gotcha. I got you in the air.
Yes!
Oh, look at that.
Thank you. And jump! Y'all make jump! What y'all make jump?
I'm next in the air.
I know!
Look, move my way, no?
I know. Okay. We did awesome. One for picture standing, just standing. Go ahead.
That's not some button, okay, baby.
Came from a location near Santa Ana, California. The lamp figures are made of statuary bronze. The castings are over 30 feet tall, weigh over 4 tons, and were the largest monumental bronze.
Yeah, I did. Listen, we come here for a reason, okay? Okay, now we're gonna do the dare.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Hi, y'all.
We didn't even listen to anything.
I'm gonna take you wherever I'm going. Let me turn this camera. Hello, everybody. Look, this is the Hoover Dam in Las Vegas. Well, that's where my husband took me for Valentine. So, yeah. Look at that. How beautiful.
Another example of symbolism directly in front of the monument is the American bald eagle. It is prominently featured, supporting a shield.
Look at the flag.
13 red and white stripes. These stripes represent the 13 original states, with a blue bar uniting the shield and representing Congress. The shield is adorned on the breast of the eagle, without any other symbol, to denote that the United States ought to rely on its own.
Wait. Oh my God. We need to take pictures. Oh my God, this is so... Look at the river. Yeah, I don't want my phone to go. This is deep. Oh my God. This is so deep. Baby, take pictures so you can send me a picture. Baby, if we want to see, we gotta go there. You see where they're standing? Not here. Okay, we gotta go there. Come, Wilda. Wilda, come. Jesus Christ, this is amazing. Oh, la fermée. Hey, now keep moving. Over the day encore. What's the moving name, baby? Now can you move it over them there, go?
There's a lot of telephone. Where's your telephone?
No, I'm not dropping it.
San Andreas.
Say where?
San Andreas.
St. Andrew? Andrew. Look at the river, yo. Like, look at l'eau, hein? L'eau, elle est juste en bas. Ok, on va marcher toujours. Ouais, vent sans les bottes de téléphone, moi, là, la veille. Parce que chapeau, tellement, on va quitter l'eau. Okay, we at Hoover Dam. I know Hoover Dam. Well, in Las Vegas. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, better view. Woo! How do you? Are we taking pictures? Hold on, let me put this down a little. Baby, it's right there.
Hold on.
Look at that, yo. Oh my god. So deep. If someone jump here. No at lower. Let's get no at lower. I zoom it. What? Ready to do what? Bon, t'as dit m'sot nan photo qu'on a vinn dim. Mion. Haïtien.
Hold on.
Okay, baby. I like that. Ew. It's so windy.
Y'all ready now? Y'all not ready. Y'all doing something else. Hold on. Stand there. Stand there. Where y'all going?
Thank you. Let's keep walking because Jesus, it's cold. I don't know if I'm en classe qui gagne. Il y a moins 204 questions pour mal faire avant 11h pour finir.
Exhibits.
Vous connaissez, si montagne ça prend les on est trompeau. Les on est trompeau. Ou prendre nous mener dans petite montagne on la gueule pour aller là quitter là. I'm scared, man. Wait, let me zoom for you guys. Best Valentine's gift ever. I'm right there, girl. I'm right behind y'all. It's just so cold. I don't know. Look at what they say. Hoover Dam, named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover. You see? 31st President of the United States.
Follow restaurant protocol. Take a picture and then later bring the picture.
You see that?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Look at the other side. Time to go. That's see that? It's a gold door. You see that gold door? Like gold. Porte la fête en l'or. Look, toute la fête en l'or, en l'or, en l'or. Look at that. You remember I showed you this earlier? This thing. I showed you this earlier. It's the Veda. Look. Pour qu'on y a là, je ne sais pas qui est Miami, mais là, il est 4h32. Be cool, be safe. Dozens of workers die from heat related because, oh my god, yes. Because pour bonne vérité, ma vini là, les m'a gardé par en l'air, m'a gardé pied par au sèche. Acheter un petit bagage. Okay, let's keep walking now. I'm trying to get as close as I can from this. Ah non, la bouille va en bas. Peut-être vous téléphone pas aller en bas too because the bridge is right there. Yes, I'm right here. You good? Okay, let's keep going. He's driving me crazy. It's a bunch of mountains. Packet one mountain. Packet monkey been visited as well. A lot of feel tourists. Gen moun ki vin la, ki mouri. Ça veut dire, chalet en tellement bagay, il tue, chalet en tue. C'est ça qui fait c'est dans les ça nous vini, le soleil là, un petit genre down. And you see that river? Moi-même, c'était là, moi, de tête, ça a bouilli par un bal comme ça. Yo, tout comme ça que de l'eau, ça c'est lui-même qui plus danger dans le monde là. Quand puis le touriste là, ça fait c'est là nous amis parce que mes côtés m'étaient tout à l'heure, ouais l'autre bon, là non bon ça m'était, dans l'autre bon, juste là m'était. Ok, maintenant bon ça là, et puis me traverser me venir là. Moi j'étais là. Nous sommes jamais montré nous faire qui pencher yo, let me zoom in, I show you guys. Qu'on y a moins là. Let's keep going. Yo, the water dry. Oh, baby, there's water. You see that? There's a water fountain. It looks old though. Let me see. And the water don't. It's not cold. I'm thirsty. La fait chaud. Oh my God. L'eau chaude en cours, l'eau bouillie. And I'm so thirsty. Soif de l'eau. Oui, frère décembre, nous deux on prend la rue. Monsieur a dit mettre à dessous moi n'a pas type ce travail pour Saint-Valentin, les regarder moi là même. C'est gros jour, moi off m'gai classe, m'lam dans classe, ma chati computer moi tout côté me faire visite. Ma traverser la rue en Konya là. Parce que je vais aller dans le bois ça. Traverser dans l'autre bois. And this is the other. Wow, l'eau bleue. Look at that, guys. Oh. That's over there. in Las Vegas, Nevada. Go on bet. Where's the big telephone, no?
Vegas or Nevada, you can always visit in there. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. But ça ressemble à de l'eau là, il va bête. J'aime pas ça fond. Vous dites bête là dans monter sous de l'eau. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna zoom in.
Danielle, watch your phone.
Girl.
In Las Vegas, in Nevada.
Kote. What is this? Scary. What is this? Let me unzoom because that looks scary. Can you imagine on camper là il vole en bas? Hey, ou pas qu'on arrive en bas ou mourir non? Ou mourir. Pas même get en nager pour sortir. Pas gen nager pour sortir là. Pas gen nager sortir là non? C'est voler et puis mourir dans l'air. Baby, let me tell you, on a la chérie. Listen, let's go there. Let's go there, because you can go there. Pas gen nage sorti la chérie. C'est voler et puis mourir. Voler, avec dit depuis en l'air ou mettre la mort, c'est mourir. Pas gen baga ou voler ou attendre passer misère puis ou mourir. Non, ou trangler pour tout faire. Non. Excuse me. Guys, Arizona time. Oh my God, guys, you guys look. Oh my God. Hey, ça y va quand on est loin là, mais peut-être ça éclairé. I don't. Wap j'aime connaître si gain. Gain bed because where depuis on mettait ti bail ça qui barre. So ça cloud bois là, on boit ou bien what is that? Mes amis, I will not even take any chance. If you will that, wap di sa kagin bet la. We want to kana sa ou pa gen famille.
No, la, the boy crossed them right there. There's something dangerous.
Gen gros bête danger, ka manjore, ken toutes sortes de bêtes. Yo,
The what?
toutes sortes de bêtes. Ou attendez, t'aller aller m'attendre en bas là, yo dou c'est yon nan de l'eau qui pi danger dans monde là. The most dangerous water in the world. C'est pas Tilan mais nous Haïti et puis ou tomber là-dedans et puis mon al chercher non chérie hein. Tomber net. Non. Non, tomber net depuis on l'a volé chérie non elle on mourir avant qu'on arrive en bas. Jesus, this is beautiful. As beautiful as it is. Bon moi si me mettre téléphone moi plus près. Oh Jésus. You see down there? Scary here. Woo. La Saint-Valentin, toute la journée nèg là c'est chita, c'est pas chita ba nous fleur. Fait le ba nous fleur, fait le mener nous parti tout. Fait le ba nous fleur, fait le mener nous parti tout. That's a beautiful water, yeah, but it's blue, blue en bas là, blue en bleu, man, like wow, man, like this is pretty. Is it not de nager pour sortir, bah nager pour sortir là. I think I'm pas parler dans l'autre boss là, non, because I'm getting class, pas mal dans classe. I'm getting class matin, I'm getting class kounya là, I'm getting 3 classes pour aujourd'hui seulement. Wow, man, like this is nice.
Thank you.
Woo. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I save it. With that time, I've save video. I've quitté le poster dans page moi and then I've save le téléphone moi. Where?
Mommy Zoo.
Oh.
Like me and Kurt. Me and Kurt and her whole family went. Ça c'est en dedans on glodoté.
Yeah, we need to go there.
You're not gonna like it.
After Dubai, we go to where? Mexico? Or Key West? Tout blanc, tout bleu. But l'autre bois, yo barré l'autre bois.
Mais ça c'est un fox. Those are the fox.
Oh God.
Fox.
I'm ready to go home.
Mais ça c'est taille.
Cause non, ça m'a regardé là parce que l'examen a fermé à 11h. 204 questions. 204 questions. Même comme on a fait moitié là-dedans même. Même dit nous de l'école nursing, c'est pas équipe difficile à jouer, non? Parce que ça fait me battre night. Bat night, oui? Mais bullet, ouais. Amos, this is Las Vegas and this is over them. So when got a movie really I forgot the name. Baby, what was the movie name again?
San Andreas.
St. Andreas?
Mais go relax.
Yeah, yo j'ai movie ça là.
Those are fucking real. Like they're probably here. Probably here. You see that little
You know.
they're probably there but close. Like they can fucking jump.
Whoa, whoa.
They can fucking jump to us. You know?
Et pas clock yo dit different. Et qu'on y a m'a suivre ça. Clock yo dit different time, oui? Yeah, it's a that one say Nevada time. The other one is a different one. Like tout ça audio on different thing. Look at that. Let me zoom this in. Look at that. Water storage. Look at that. Look at the top. Navigation, flood control. Look at that. You see that? On les bon dis nous la charge caméra. Depuis là après yo tout fouyo. Regardez sur bagage zam drugs on yo. Yo mettez mon devant paquet de sécurité, paquet de police. Devant. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is Vegas. What are you talking about? I'm in Las Vegas, Amos. Why do I need to learn about that? My husband took me there for Valentine's and I'm still here. Oui, baby. Moi quand on se dame non. Oui, à la chaise nous on tourne les oiseaux, oui mais plus je vent tellement fort, plus j'aime abattre dans les oiseaux. Oh vieux vent là. Wow. My God. Look at the flag. The flag. Hey baby,
Hey, baby.
you having fun?
Yeah, are you enjoying yourself?
I love it. You need to send me your pictures. Thank you. And dans l'autre bon là, you van got cadeau. What you mean there's no ocean in Vegas? Ooh, you need to check that. Okay? The Hoover Dam. There's no ocean, but when you go here, like to Hoover Dam, there's like a river, a big river. It's like a big water thing. There's no ocean, but when you go to the Hoover Dam, there's water. But the back them will not très bien because it's deep and dangerous. Have you ever been there, almost?
Another example of symbolism directly in front of the monument is the American bald eagle.
Colorado
It is
River
prominently
Energy.
pictured supporting a shield composed of 13 red and white stripes.
You see it, Amos?
These stripes represent the 13 original states, with a blue bar uniting the shield and representing Congress. The shield is borne on the breast of the eagle, without any other support to denote
Tout classic camera, oui, Jesus. Nope, no good. You live, your sister, you live.
1, 2, 3.
A bunch of crazy. Well, I'm about to. I don't know if I should stay on the live with y'all, so you guys can stay with me, or since it was a family live now. Okay, whatever it is, I must. If they dump my ass in there, I know I'm gonna It's deep. It's a river. I don't know. It don't look like an ocean, but it looks deep. Hold on, let me put this here. Vent dégage, je vais me semble mon qui folle.
1, 2, 3. Hell nah, I look at how big fat papa.
Come on, on vous voler.
1, 2, 3.
No,
Okay, I guess let's do another picture.
voler. 1, 2. Woman qui mal volé, c'est pas même. You gotta jump.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
I'll faire vidéo ma folie.
No, no.
1, 2, 3. No, ça va, Bolania. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Jump. No. Wait until I tell you to jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump. You see?
In the same way that pyramids represent ancient Egypt,
Tell me when to jump, that's when you press the thing. 1, 1,
at first glance,
2,
one is
go ahead.
usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department of the Interior. At the top of the flagpole, 142 feet above the sculpture,
I'm a jumpy
you see a golden
1,
ball. The ball points to where the center of
jump.
our sun was on September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Come on, you can do this, you can do this.
1, 2, 3. Jump.
On the terrazzo floor you are standing on, embedded
1, 2, 3. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Click.
disc.
1, 2,
Each
3.
disc is
Jump.
scaled to the exact diameter.
Bravo. Tout est là.
You just take a bunch of pictures, like,
I know,
yeah,
right?
and then you can pick the one when you're up in the air.
Yes. 1.
Most cameras, if you hold on to
there's a
the
burst.
button, if you just keep your finger on it, it'll do a burst of like 100.
Okay, that's true. Let's do that. Keep your hand in the picture, in the button. 1, 2, 3.
That someday, somehow,
Yo.
This is shit though. Yes. There you go. Now I can do this. Let's go. Now I have a picture.
Look at screenshot me.
I have to.
Gosh. With the corona. Simone, j'avoue tellement dégâts tête moi. Vent inventé.
to assist
Baby, hold this for me. Baby, I'm ready to go. Is there any bathroom I can use? Is there any bathroom I can use? Let me. Les amis, go would faire pencher ça yo. Yo, whoever did this, it's my code.
Where are you on Facebook?
Yeah, no, I'm saying moun ki fait ça yo.
Hold on, the whole time you're on Facebook, you're filming me?
No, lady, I wasn't filming you.
Your life is weird.
Yes, Amos. It is a huge river. It's scary too.
I'll make this welcome to my life.
Di gen bet wè la dan ni, but gen mezi ki rive yo bare, so it's dangerous, that's it. Gen elevator to go up there, we? Oh my god, how do you go up there? Y'all wanna go there? Okay, so how people get in there? Where they go?
On way out then. No, you're confirming, right?
Yeah, li fermé.
I think we could have go there if it wasn't Corona.
Mm-hmm.
Time they do theaters.
Yeah, c'est pas gen corona.
Yeah, we need to go to the pool.
Yeah. I'm gonna go outside with the laptop, taking the test. We gotta come back for like,
Like I said,
we gotta come back
on my birthday we're gonna
for 2-3 weeks. I don't know. Yeah, you feel like people come out on level, oui, but I will not take the chance. Never. The dog who own a dam. Y'all probably gonna think that I'm weird, the fact that I'm filming those things. Franchement, moun sa ki fe bay sa, it's a hero. It's not even a hero. Moun sa gen brain, tête. Moun sa gen tête. Gen manje an le a, gen kado an le a. No, but I just wanna go home.
watch Tommy. Can you get up a little and walk around? Me too.
See, Amos, you say I was lying. Okay, let's go. On peut elevator. Huh? Look at the stairs. That's a long stairs.
Two? No, we're not all the way there. We're on two, right there.
You sure, Wilda? Okay, y'all. Is that next coming back? No, you should have stayed up there. Why you come back? Hey, I need to use the bathroom. Your sister, I need to use the bathroom. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye. Thank you, thank you.